Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix or install the missing screw and the rubber bushing of this stabilizer bar. As you can see, it's creating noise. I don't know where it went, but I'm going to replace it with this non-OEM screw. It's a stainless screw. So I'm going to replace it. This is a little bit thick. I'm just going to cut off maybe 1/4 of this size so that this screw, that this nut could fit in. Okay, let's try it again. I removed the small part, maybe 3 millimeter. This type of repairs are very doable at home. You can do it yourself without going to the repair shop and save probably a few hundreds of dollars. So even if we hammer it down, there's no more noise from that two metal parts that's banging each other earlier. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Okay, I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.